Committee, Mr. Vishnu Kumar Devarma, our advisor chairman, advisor, and our advisor, TSF, Sunil Devarma, former general secretary, our central committee members. Well, as we knew, before the election, we have supported the Tipra Matha during the elections, and we have been working with Maharaj over 15 years back. We work together, our senior leaders work together for the betterment of the indigenous community. Today we have accepted the Greater Tipra land, and for the course for the indigenous community, we are ready to work in any kinds of work, in movement. So we have accepted and will support the Tipra Matha and Maharaja. So at this juncture now, I would like to give our time to our advisor to brief the media.
Good morning, media friends of Agartala. Well, as you know, the General Secretary of TSF have highlighted our issues of being here together with you. Now, as you all know, TSF first was created in the year 1968. So since then, the first leader, Sukhmoy Devarma and Nagendra Jamatia, the TSF have been doing a lot and is still doing for the welfare of the indigenous people, especially the tribal people as a whole. Now, since then, their aim and objectives have been partly fulfilled, and the TSF, the organization, have always been looking for the welfare of the indigenous people. Now, on that case, TSF, now in the past days, TSF's aim and ideology was to look for the betterment of the indigenous people, and TSF also in its own constitution says that TSF can support or withdraw their support to any political party, may it be regional, may it be national, but on the interests of the indigenous people. Now here, even in our earlier days, our seniors, they have been working with the indigenous political, regional political party, and now this time also, since the last election and even when Bubagra was in the Congress, we have worked with Maharaja for a very long time, and in fact, today we would be happy to declare once again officially that we will be, the TSF will be on a move for the fight of the Greater Tipra Land movement. And we any question?
Sir, your name?
I'm Upendra Devarma, advisor TSF. Upendra Devarma.
So, how you will be supporting the movement of Greater Tipra? By participating in the movements or in other?
As I have earlier mentioned, that TSF will support Greater Tipra Land movement in any type of movement, agitation, physically, mentally, morally. We will be there for the fight for our Greater Tipra Land. Any type of movement.
So, TSF has a very vast network. You know, the people of members of TSF are also in other states. So, they are also joining the movement and.
Exactly as I have rightly said, that we have a large network even outside India. Now, for the cause of our people, we are joining the movement. So I think there is no question of units of TSF in other states or other country not willing to be on the Greater Tripura movement, because this is all on our issue. Now, on our issue, we shall not compromise. We shall fight with Maharaj since he has taken the lead now for the Greater Tripura movement. We will not step a step behind for the fight in favor of Greater Tripura. Norok tinini yo pungzarabo media friends tokno hambailbo norok saimano TSF asaipru nisimi 1968 nisimi puilani president Sukumai tai general secretary borongni leadership nisimi chengi paye tabuk sak jora borongni nahar mumatuino jekono jagao chini borokni kaham samoni bagai a jaga TSF basai pakya TSF kuno kaisa political party ni organization ya kya bachini own aim and ideology tongo je jaga chini borokni kaham hukai a jaga uno TSF tongo tai kuno jaga uslumani rei sing semanka hangnai continuous 25 years leftist ni rule of behind TSF asuk hard sibo TSF tongoi tongo kaya basang tabuk bo TSF tongo sing ulo bo tongnai sing tini hai jorao bukai sing belai na hambai sini Maharaja sini Tripura pano sini Tripura no lead kai sino kaisa kaham disamo kaisa kaham lamo sino langai kangai kamani bagai abaga gubak rana hambai malo bini leadership molbrum no tongpun o Greater Tripura ni chobabo TSF ain hai Maharaj bai tongnai Tripura Motha bai tongnai tai Greater Tripura ni bagai sung physically mentally morally je mansa sung Tripura Motha bai sung samutani thangnai chini Greater Tripura ni bagai
Norok to kaisa student organization se okay tamok Norok ni support borok ni para borok le Tripura Motha student organization Norok ka nai nakti onno ka jam ti
ang norok no mono saka TSF ni nahamu borok do pani sini borok indigenous mothani hansa no kare ar kuno kore Maharaj ni kaham nahar mungo bini Greater Tripura ni hansa ni maribo sentabo Maharaj ni ringma bai sentabo Maharaj no full listen support khaina